Hey, Dobby the Fishing Elf here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the rear light bulb in a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. Let's get to it. As you can see, there are 3 T20 screws holding the light to the body of the car. To remove these, I used a small ratcheting screwdriver with a T20 bit. I've tried to keep this video to around 5 minutes, just so that you can see the amount of time it actually takes to do the job. As you can see, all 3 screws are out. Now it's time to remove the light housing from the body of the car. It has a couple of retaining clips, so just give it a gentle wiggle and it will pop loose. As you can see, I sort of opened it up like a book. This gives you the easiest access to the light fitting. It is held on by a couple of clips at the top of the bottom with this foam cover over it. Once you have the bulb holder removed from the light, it's just a simple matter of pushing in and twisting the bulb until it pops out. It's the brake light here, so that's the bottom bulb. I'm replacing it with a 382 bulb in white. Check the description for a link to where I got the bulbs from. If you're enjoying this video, please drop me a like, sub to the channel and leave me a comment. Now the bulb's in, it's time to give it a quick test to make sure it works. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now it's time to put the light back together. To start, pop the bulb holder back into the light fitting. Don't forget the foam cover. The next step is to line up the 2 locating tabs. This can be quite a tricky process. As you can see, it took me a little while to get this right. Now it's time to put the 3 T20 screws back in. Here's a quick look at where all the holes are. I always find it easier to start with the top screw, then go down to the bottom screw and finish in the middle. Time to start the next screw. And now onto the final screw. Wow, that was a lot of screwing. Time to test the bulb one last time. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. You can use this as a guide to all three of the back bulbs. Thanks for watching until the end. If you'd like to see more from me, please sub to the channel, drop me a like and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Once again, thank you for watching Dobby's Repairs. Have a great day.